I'm going to make a mango tart. The Tart Crust is ready. This mango tart is actually very similar to French flan. French flan uses just egg yolks, and a lot of the ingredients that we have here are basically similar, with the exception of the mango. When you make recipes that only use egg yolks, make sure to save your egg whites for other recipes. So we're going to combine all the ingredients in a saucepan. Not this, not yet. The eggs, 4 egg yolks, the sugar, cornstarch, and the vanilla extract. So now we're going to whisk first before turning on the heat. Okay, so at this point, we're going to add the 2 milks. This right here is just regular milk and heavy cream. Okay, so at this point, we're going to turn on the heat, the lowest setting. So you're going to stir constantly until it gets thick. If you feel like it's taking too long, you can increase the setting to low medium, but constantly stir so that it doesn't clump up. We're going to just remove this from the heat just for a few. And then we're going to add the mango. So now we're going to pour the filling on top of the crust. I would say 40 minutes to an hour, or just until the top looks very brown, like a very deep brown, almost burned.